So today we're going to take a look at how you can screenshot a web page on your iPhone. It's a very interesting thing. Normally you would just screenshot a web page and you would just screenshot like what's here. So like just cut off down those bottom paragraphs. But we're going to show you how you can screenshot the whole thing. The only caveat to this is it only saves as a PDF and not like an image file. But all you do is just take a screenshot the normal way. The lock button on the side and the volume up to create a screenshot like that. Then just click on it like you normally would if you want to edit it or something. But you can see this new feature up here called full page. Simply click full page and you're going to see now that we have the full web page here. Now to save this, you're just going to click done and it's going to say save PDF to files. So we're just going to save this to here. I already selected this folder that I want to save it in. We're just going to click save, take a few seconds to save. We open up our files app on our iPhone, and you're going to see here that there it is. There is this screenshot of the web page, just how it was. Obviously you can't interact with anything because it's a screen, it's like an image in a PDF file. You can still highlight text, like so if you screenshot an article and you want to like save some of it for later, so we can just copy this here like so. As you can see, if we just click done, you can see there it's in our files and it should sync up to our iCloud. Thanks for watching guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you found that useful.